introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Akmal Sudaroki. I'm standing here. I want to tell you about level of product. The first level of product is Nescafe. Level of product Nescafe stored in dice trays while communicate source and direct source brand. Nestle name of product Nescafe most 100 grams. Extraction for instant coffee made from 100%. Original coffee fruits, ingredients, water, sugar, lemon powder, instant coffee powder, condensed creamer, ester, acidity, calculator, strictly proper. Direction host, recipe for stored in cool, light place, away from source and direct sunlight. Expense that 15, 11, 27. Level of product. The second product is slow. Brand. Cosmetic Global Indonesia. Name of product is Global. Months 30 grams. Description: a range of men's skincare products specifically cited to others. Ingredients are niacinamide, glycerin, stevia, acetic extract, panthenol, Ifida ferments. Direction of use: good to use before or miss before storage, temperature, avoid sunlight. Expiration date 8/6/28. Okay, I think I have all. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.